Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you the best Nvidia settings for your CS2 game. These settings can help you increase FPS in your CS2 application. So let's dive into it. Top search icon at the bottom left corner and tap in here Nvidia panel and tap on that, or just do right click on the desktop and open Nvidia panel from here. First we'll tap on configure surround physics and choose here your Nvidia card. After that tap on adjust image settings with preview and tap on use the advanced 3D image settings, and after that tap on take me there right here. After that tap on program settings right here and tap on this drop down menu, and after that find here CS2. But if you can't find it, you can tap on add right here, and after that tap on CS2. If you also can't find it here, you can tap on browse and find exe file right here, and after that don't forget tap on add selected program. So now repeat my actions. Image scaling off, anisotropic filtering application controlled, anti-aliasing FXAA off, anti-aliasing gamma correction on, anti-aliasing mode application controlled, anti-aliasing transparency off, background application max frame rate. You can experiment with that and use 20 FPS or off that and tap on OK button. I prefer using off. CUDA GPUs use your GPU. Low latency mode ultra. Max frame rate off. Multi-frame template AA off. Power management mode. Prefer maximum performance. Prefer refresh rate highest available. Texture filtering anisotropic sample on. Texture filtering negative allowed BS. Allow here. Texture filtering quality high performance. Exactly. Texture filtering Boolean optimization turn on. Credit optimization is exactly on. Triple buffering off. Vertical sync off. Virtual reality pre-rendered frames 1 and Vulkan OpenGL present method it's auto. Don't forget tap on apply button right now